Welcome to the land of Minneapolis, Minnesota. This is where we have like 10,000 lakes where we could see all seasons starting from fall to winter. These are the different states which I had traveled, and as it says, live your life to the banks. And temples in Minneapolis, and this is downtown Minneapolis. It's a lot of things traced, and my friends. And the cave and this in downtown Minneapolis with a lot of parks and stuff. It's called like cherry on the spoon, and love is in the air. And there's one of the monument that they had in the art right across downtown Minneapolis, and a lot of trees, nature, and very beautiful arts and crafts around it. It's surrounded with like 10,000 lakes, as I say, a lot of activities to do. There is a bigger mall called Mall of America right near to downtown. Everything around it was like very fun, and a lot of activities during the July 4th, a lot of celebrations, Sai Baba Temple, and this is where we are having fun at night, driving the scooter. And this is one of the buildings in the downtown Minneapolis. This is my car, and a beautiful sunrise. And this is the Macy's lady. And this is always a picture that I used to go through in the downtown. And this is one of the crossings through. And this is the farmers market. And this is my friends from the farmers market. And this is one of the pictures that I had from my good old days. And it always matters. What matters is like the friends and family that you have, and you cannot miss them. And this is downtown, and coming through some of the things that I captured.